Hello everybody! So my next puzzle will be this one. So that one is from Clementoni, and I think it's just called Narwhals. Yeah, it's Narwhal. So as you can see here, Narwhals. It has got 500 pieces, and yes, I don't know what to say about it. I think it's kind of cute, and I don't know if you know the Narwhal song. If you do, you're welcome for the that it will stuck in your head again, or if you don't know it, just you know what, search for it on YouTube. Narwhal song. You're welcome or not. Okay, guys, let's do it. Alright, you guys, so here we've got the Narwhals, and it's not much to say about that one. Quality was good. As you saw, I had to sort them very early because it was easy to do all the pink stuff, but the blue stuff, the blue stuff was easier by sorting the pieces, or the dark pieces. You know, the dark parts. Oh gosh, I'm tired. Okay, you guys. If you like what you saw, you could hit the like button. He wants it. He asks you to. Please do it. Okay. Maybe you consider to subscribe if you want, but no, if not, that's fine. Okay, guys, have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.